Welcome to the Quiz Crib. Here are 10 questions on world geography. Question 1. Which of the following countries is located on both the European and Asian continents? The correct answer is C. Turkey. Question 2. The Danube River, the second longest river in Europe, flows through how many countries? The correct answer is B. 8. Question 3. What is the capital city of the only country that borders both Russia and China? The correct answer is A. Ulaanbaatar. Question 4. Which African country is known as the Pearl of Africa and is home to Lake Victoria, the largest lake in Africa? The correct answer is A. Uganda. Question 5. The Atacama Desert, one of the driest places on Earth, is primarily located in which South American country? The correct answer is A. Chile. Question 6. Which island nation in the Indian Ocean is famous for its unique wildlife, including lemurs? The correct answer is B. Madagascar. Question 7. The Strait of Malacca, a crucial waterway for global trade, is located between which two countries? The correct answer is A. Indonesia and Malaysia. Question 8. Which mountain range separates the Iberian Peninsula from the rest of continental Europe? The correct answer is B. Pyrenees. Question 9. The Great Barrier Reef, the world's largest coral reef system, is situated off the coast of which country? The correct answer is A. Australia. You're almost done. The last question is next. Please let us know how many you answered correctly after the last question. Question 10. The city of Marrakesh, known for its vibrant markets and historic architecture, is located in which North African country? The correct answer is B. Morocco. Okay, Quiz Whiz, get them all right? Please subscribe and comment how many you answered correctly. Thank you from the Quiz Crib.